Guwahati all crime between December and between January 1st and July 31st. Moi compare korisu with January 1st and July 31st, 2021. 2021 all crime asile 11,923 cases. A bosor same period hoise 6,236 cases. There is a fall of 48% of crime in Guwahati. 21 का फिगर है 11,923 केसेस और 22 का फिगर है 6,236 केसेस, 6,236. If we look at robbery in 2021 there were 515 cases, while in 22 there are only 135 cases. That is a fall of 73%. Burglary
আমি গ্রুপত দিম বস্তু
ফিগার আমি দি দিম ফিগার আর আপনি চিন্তা না করিব ফিগার আমি গ্রুপত দিম Burglary, there were 704 cases in 2021, 368 this year, fall of 47%. Theft, 1698, 1012, fall of 41%. Extortion, 93 cases last year, 47 cases this year, fall of 51%. Section 411 IPC, 17 cases last year, 5 cases this year, 70%. Auto theft, 955 cases last year, 689 cases this year, 28%. Cheating, 981 last year, 947 this year. Cheating or change G2 aise G2 ami dekhisu. Last year was more physical cheating and face-to-face business cheating. This year we are seeing a huge increase in phone-based, WhatsApp-based and email-based cheating. Almost 60% case jitu amar ase itu cyber crime related ase, so itu ami tackle kori asu. Itu karne we will have a separate chat with all of you. Murder badhise. Last year there were 30 murders, this year there have been 37 murders. Kintu jitu ami investigate kori, we are quite befuddled ourselves. Amiye bhabi asu 90% of the murders are within the person's social or family circle. They are not crime related murders. They are not murders because of a robbery or a dacoity or any other crime. They are murders within friends, within family, within house help. So we are also baffled because of some love angle, because of some other personal angle. So there is an increase in society that we see of some sort of an intolerance between each other, between these people. So we are looking at this as to why this is happening within your known circle. Matlab known circle of bhitrate murder hoya se. Most of you have followed all murder cases and that is what has been seen. This is a horrible crime, but I must mention it. Even rape has fallen from 41 to 30 something. Kidnapping has fallen from 313 to 210. 41 to 39. IPC and 498 harassment of women and POXO cases have fallen from 555 to 225. And molestation has fallen from 187 to 83. Writing last year was 12, this year is 0. Arson was 18, it is 6. And other IPC cases were 4,297, 4,297. This year they are only 1,725. The only other place where cases are naturally increased because of the work we do is NDPS. Because of the hard drive that we have, it started in May last year, from May 10th, जेतिया government आहिसले, तेतिया पर आपनी जाने narcotics और काम, anti-drugs काम चली आसे, so anti-drugs और case 2 अमार एतिया बढ़ी से by 17%. More कोबले माने आसिले, एतिया I'll give you all the figures. Figures is 128 last year, 151 this year. The catches are also more than last year, so anyway.